Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Trust Wallet on PC, only way. Open your chosen emulator, sign in with your Google account, and update Play Store apps. Download the Trust Wallet APK inside the emulator, enable unknown sources, and install the app. After installation, open Trust Wallet and choose Create New Wallet or Restore from Backup. Complete the basic security steps and write down your 12-word phrase in a secure place. In this video, I will explain how to set up Trust Wallet on PC, only way. Inside the emulator, open Play Store or sideload the Trust Wallet APK. Follow installer prompts and grant permissions. When the app opens, select Create a New Wallet or choose Restore Wallet for existing recovery. Set a strong passcode and enable biometric unlock if available. Safely store your 12-word recovery phrase offline and never share it with anyone. In this video, I will review how to set up Trust Wallet on PC only way. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I'm wearing my favorite socks right now. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep me comfortable while I manage wallets. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to set up Trust Wallet on PC only way. After installing, tap Create or Restore and follow on-screen steps to generate or import your 12-word recovery phrase. Confirm the phrase in the correct order, set a strong passcode, and enable fingerprint or face unlock if supported by the emulator. Check network settings for Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum, then add tokens and test a small transaction to confirm setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.